Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on People GPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in juicebox.org and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Juicebox People GPT website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner, and if you proceed with logging into your account, you will find that there is no option to change your password from within. So you will need to do this by the password reset method. Click on continue with email and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Just click on forgot your password to change your password without logging in. Then enter your account email address that you used to sign up and click on the continue button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. Click on the OK button and then check the inbox of the email address that you just entered. You will then find an email from Juicebox AI, which will contain a link that will allow you to reset your password. Just click on this link and now you will be asked to enter your preferred new password. Just type in your preferred new password for your account and click on the save button, and now you will get a notification that your password has been changed. You can then simply use your newly set password along with your original email address or username to directly log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Juicebox People GPT website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.